everyone, my name is Gina Bomarito, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a furnace filter. Alright, let's get started. Let's go. Come on. Okay, so the first thing you want to do before you change your filter or replace your filter is turn off the thermostat. You don't want the furnace kicking on while you're trying to do this because it's a super strong fan and it'll blow and it'll just make it really hard to get the furnace filter out. So shut off your thermostat for a few minutes. Locate your furnace. The furnace filter is usually located between the furnace itself and the ductwork, this big ductwork. So it'll either have a cover on it, a cover with a screw. This is magnetic, so you just pull it out, or it might not even have any of those. It might just have the filter right here. You'll see it because you'll see numbers and letters, and there's always a fun color. So first thing you want to do is locate it, and secondly, you want to find the airflow arrow. Wherever that arrow is pointing, I always take my marker, like I already did, and I made an arrow. So the next time I replace it, I know exactly which way the arrow goes and exactly how to put the filter in. So from there, you'll pull the filter out. Sometimes they get a little stuck, so just pull it. It's okay if it rips because you're going to throw it out anyway because it's dirty. With these filters, you should probably change them between 3 and 6 months. Unless they're filthy dirty or you're sanding drywall in your house or something, it's going to get dirtier. So you might want to check it before then. So you'll pull it out, grab a new one, and just literally put it in the way you took the old one out. Make sure your airflow arrow's in the right direction. Put it back in, make sure it's in there well. Shut the door. And turn your thermostat back on. It's so easy. It's very, very easy. Don't be scared. You got this. Thank you so much for watching. And if there's anything you'd like to see me repair, replace, or fix, put it down in the comments and I promise you I will get to it. If this video helped you today, if you'd like to push the subscribe button or the like button, that would be awesome. I'd appreciate it. And I'll see you next time. Thank you.